So I'm going to talk to you about Gimkit. It is another way of gamifying assessments, and I think it's a lot of fun. I've had fun playing with it and trying to figure out how it works. So you need to go to gimkit.com, like right here, and do the educator sign up. And the students, again, this is another one. The students don't need to sign up or give any personal information. They'll just use the code and join game once you've gotten everything set up and you're ready to go. So as you can see, this is then where you'd go when you've set up, and I have set up 2 kits for my classroom. You can, if your school belongs, there'd be a school library and you can find kits from other educators at your school. Nobody else has signed up yet. I'm going to work on that next week. You can make assignments from here. You can set up classes from here, and I have done that. I haven't set out any invitations yet because it's Thanksgiving break, but I do intend to do that so that it forces my students, to use their real names. So then when I'm looking at the results, I am looking at my students' names rather than whatever little nickname they put in. And anyway, you set up your kits here. So to do a new kit, you have 2 choices. You'd click here, first of all, and then I'm going to name my kit Intro to Business. Chapter 2. English is the language of that particular class, so I wouldn't need to differentiate with a second language for this one. And then it has facts, but it actually doesn't have business classes, which I find disappointing and have emailed them. But anyway, so for now, I choose other for my classes, and I say next. For some reason, it wants you to have a picture, so I'll choose one, and then I can add a question or add from question bank. So I can add a question here. Money is, and then you can choose which one you want to be the correct answer. So I'm going to say a natural resource, a capital resource. And unfortunately, you do have to have all 4 filled out. And add that. Then you can go over to the add to question bank, and it's going to pull that up for you. And I'm actually going to take this out, the title, and I'm going to put in what we're actually studying this week, factors of production. And that's what I'm looking for. So I'm going to look at here, it's going to show me what they've got. And I'm going to go down here. I'm going to choose this one just randomly. So this one, he's chosen pictures. You can do that. You don't have to. Blank include the people who do the work necessary for production. I'm going to add that one. I'm going to add this one. So that's what you would do. You'd set that up. Then you go back out to your dashboard. I'm going to say, all done. And now it's in my kits. And then I can play it live. So I would say that I want to do that. Here's the choices. And so this is like Among Us. This is just like all the other games that are like this, Kahoot and those kinds of things. They can do that as a team. The floor is lava. If you click on that and learn more, it'll tell you what that is. Learn more. But I'm just going to go with classic. Okay, so I'm going to say classic. I want to continue. They earn as much money as possible before the time runs out. I'm going to say 2 minutes because for the purposes of this video. And put my class in here, starting cash, and I'm going to leave it as it is, as it comes. And then this is what your students would get. 943-304, they would put that in. And then we start the game. And it's not as much fun to watch, so there's really not a lot of reason to post it up on the board if you don't have that capability. But so as you can see, as it goes, you see how they're doing, and then when it's over, it has a big clap and yay, everybody's done. As you can see, the clock is running for them to see. They can see how everybody's going. You can see how everyone's doing. And there it is. Have fun with it.